This video is brought to you by thepuzzler.com.
Problem number 20 from the AMC 10A. A four-term sequence is formed by adding each term of a four-term arithmetic sequence of positive integers to the corresponding term of a four-term geometric sequence of positive integers. The first three terms of the resulting four-term sequence are 57, 60, and 91. What is the fourth term of the sequence? Okay, so we're given some information that's going to help us solve this problem, namely that they're positive integers, so we don't have to worry about decimals, which means that we're going to probably have some Diophantine element, and then the same thing with the geometric sequence. So let's set up some variables to help us solve this problem. So for the geometric series, we have a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. And for the next one, we have b, br, br squared, and then br cubed. Okay, so now remember that if we add up this term and this term, that's going to equal 2 times the middle term since it's an arithmetic sequence. So we have that 57 minus b plus 91 minus br squared equals 60 minus br times 2. So now let's expand this. So we have 57 plus 91 is 148 minus b minus br squared equals 120 minus 2br. Bringing terms to the same side, we get that 2br minus b minus br squared equals negative 28. So br squared minus 2br plus b equals 28. And factor out the b, we get r squared minus 2r plus 1, which we know factors as r minus 1 squared. This is equal to 28. Now remember, everything is in terms of positive integers here, so b has to be a positive integer. Since they're both factors of 28, that means that r minus 1 is also going to be a positive integer, so r is also a factor. R is also a positive integer. Okay, so our first guess is let's try r equals 2. So then this factor is going to equal 1, and then b equals 28. So b equals 28, and then, so just in case you missed the algebra from earlier, we have that on the right side. But yeah, b equals 28, and then r equals 2, because 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So then these terms would become 28, 56, and then this next one would become 112. But notice that the sum of this term and this right here is 100 is supposed to be 91. But this is already greater than 112 is already greater than 91, so a plus 2d is going to be negative, which contradicts with the fact that it has to be a positive integer. The next number we might perhaps try is r minus 1 equals 2, so r equals 3, and then this r minus 1 squared would equal 4, so then b equals 7. So if we do that, we have 7 times 3, which is 21, times 3, which is 63, and then the corresponding terms of the arithmetic sequence would be 57 minus 7 is 50, 60 minus 21 is 40 minus 1, so 39, and the next one would be 91 minus 63, which is going to give us 31 minus 3, so 28. And this makes sense because now each term is going down by 11, so this is also an arithmetic sequence. So this would become 17, and this one we would multiply by 3 again to get 189. So those are the four terms. We want 17 plus 189. That's going to give us 200 plus 6, so 206. which is E.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked or enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a like and subscribe to our channel. For more amazing content, you can check out thepuzzler.com.